Today is the great potato harvest day. Harvest, reveal those potatoes and see how they did. It was a shitty year. We had a lot of rain. And I tried to fertilize them as much as I could, but I don't think I met with too much success. So we're going to see what's happening here. We're going to take some of these poles out and get ready to release the hound, so to speak. Just going to pull these out and get this ready, and I'll be back with the rest of the video. There we go. We're starting. It's getting ready. We have the tarp all ready to go. We should keep these two, maybe, I don't know. Yo, potato harvest. We're gonna tip her. The wife is taking the cardboard off. Just chuck it over there, sweetheart. We got potato balls. Oh my. Okay, now before we go any further, we're gonna tip it, okay? Ready? Here goes, boom. Now, let's see if we can find some potatoes in there. Oh, yeah. Hot dog. Whoops, sorry, hon. Well, here, I'll put those potatoes over there. Look at that, guys. Whoa, we got more. Look at that. Nice. These are very nice. Look it. Beautiful. We got spuds, everyone. Oh, I think I feel something out. Oh, we got more. Got a little one here. One that tried to form, didn't quite make it. Oh, look at that. Some nice red Chieftains. And some little ones, too. Those are the boilies. Oh, cute little Chieftain. Oh, there's some dandies. Eh? Not quite the amounts.
Not there yet, sweetie. You're like a little boy. You have to be patient.
Yes, I know I am like a little boy. I got one radish size over there. I can see it. Cute. So far, that's what she's looking like. Alley size.
Oh, there's a potato.
Come on, eh? There's a big old dew worm in there. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, there's one right there.
Good old Canadian dew worm.
Yep. Okay, Mr. Dew Worm, we're going to give you a new home. We'll put you in the garden. There you go. Wow. Yep. Yeah. Oh. Nice one. Well, that's a lot of dirt for... I wouldn't call that a huge harvest.
No, I wouldn't call that a huge harvest either. But they're going to be delicious.
Oh, they are.
Oh,
there's another one popped up. Another little alley. Alright, I'll go get a box for those potatoes.
Yeah, good. Show them what the harvest was.
There it is. Got a couple of stragglers over there. We'll bring them on over here. So we're going to get these out of the... Where? Oh, yeah. So there you go. That was the harvest from there.
How many potatoes did you plant, love?
About that many. So it wasn't super successful, but it was okay. I guess we did a little bit better.